guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the easiest, quickest monochrome cool tone brown makeup look that you have ever seen in your entire life. I have a special hack. Veterans of my channel will probably know what it is, but I think that it is just the easiest and quickest way to get a really pigmented, beautiful eyeshadow look that matches your lip color. Hint, hint. So if you want to see that, stick around. If you want to see how I did the complexion, I'll have that in a separate video that will either be after this or I'll link it below. Before we begin the tutorial, if you like tutorials, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I like doing tutorials. There's no drama except for this. Without further ado, let's get into my makeup hack, which is using liquid lipstick as eyeshadow. I've been doing this hack for a really long time, and I feel like anybody who knows anything and who watches my channel for a while probably already knows it, but it is the best way to get some bomb-ass pigmented eyeshadow without getting too much fallout or having to f around with packing color on and blending and all of this nonsense. So today I think we're gonna go for like a neutral cool tone brown moment. The secret to getting really pigmented eyeshadow is to use liquid lipstick. I'm gonna be using NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. Okay, and the little sample size here. I need to get the new one. I need to like invest in the full size, but honestly they last so long. I've had these for so long. They're the best for eyeshadow. So anyway, pop that on your lid like you're putting on eyeshadow primer. Boop boop boop, bada bing. Next I'm gonna blend it out with a little kabuki type brush that I would normally use for like blending concealer or something. Just stippling. Next up, before that liquid lipstick completely dries, you're going to want to grab an eyeshadow that matches. This is the Profusion Paradise palette that I just happen to have on my desk. And this shade right here looks perfect. So we're going to grab an eyeshadow brush, dip into that shade, and just pack it directly onto the liquid lipstick. And it's still a little sticky, so it's going to hold it, it's going to grab it. And this is a surefire way to get any sort of, maybe like if you have some cheap eyeshadow, you know, these Profusion palettes are nice and affordable. They're available at Target, and you know, they're not the best eyeshadow in the world, but it works so beautifully when you put down a base of liquid lipstick. So, like I said, pack, pack, pack. Once all of the packing is done, then you can maybe dip into a slightly lighter shade. Maybe we'll do this one right here, just to blend out. Easy, right? Okay, let's do the bottom. You only need a little bit for the lower lash line. This brush is probably going to be too big, so get something a little smaller. See how there's no fallout, there's no splotchiness, there's no bullshit? The best part of this is you take the same color and use it as your lipstick because it's gonna match. Just because I do like to be a little extra, I'm gonna go ahead and color my lashes. Some mascara. There you have it. I personally like to add some big lashes and call the look complete. But hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.